Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Asking directions in the street. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the city library. Is it far from here?
No, it's not very far. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Oh, that's good. Could you tell me how to get there?
Of course. Go straight down this road for 2 blocks.
Okay, go straight for 2 blocks.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light. Got it.
After that, you'll see a park on your right.
A park on my right?
Yes, walk past the park, and the library will be right across the street.
So it's across from the park?
Exactly. You can't miss it. It's a big white building.
That sounds easy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you new to the city?
Yes, I just arrived today.
Well, welcome. If you need help again, feel free to ask.
Thanks. One more question. Are there any cafes near the library?
Yes, there's a nice cafe right next to it.
Perfect. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.